Hey everybody, Sunday, October 29th, 2023. Here's the Astro Excel for the week ahead off the Excel workbook. As we are going to reopen on Sunday night here, we're kind of flatlining into Monday morning where we peak out about 3 a.m. And then we've got a downtrend on the green line for the whole week that's finally going to bottom out Friday around 1 or 2 p.m. and then it's up into the close. So we've got a lot of downside pressure this week. The blue line peaks are going to be Monday at 6 a.m. This one at 1700, kind of in between time. Then we go down to the -10 line on Tuesday morning about 1 a.m. Make a peak Tuesday at 7 a.m. Bring it down to the -20 line at 11 a.m. and then we're up into the evening about 2200 hours where the blue line double taps, and again at 3 a.m. on the 1st. Next important peaks would be here at 1400 and then at 1600, and then the next day, or actually Thursday, Friday, we don't even get to the 10 lines again, but we have a peak at 1300 here on the 2nd, late on the 2nd at 2300, and then the last peak for the week is going to be at 1300 on Friday the 3rd. So that's the look at the week ahead. In the next video, I'll give you the Astro Excel for the month of November.